Hello students, today we will start MCQ question, multiple choice questions from chapter 2 nutrition in animals. Till date we have discussed all the concept from this chapter. Now it's time to complete the MCQ questions from the chapter. Now first question, in which of these processes is food broken down into simpler substances? See, my process to solve this type of question is that I will revise the concept also with solution of these questions. Okay, now if we are solving first question, what are the processes which broken down the food into simpler substances? See, in human digestive system, ingestion process is used to taking the food into the mouth, okay, and digestion process is used to break down the complex substances like carbohydrate, protein, fats into simpler substances. Okay, so digestion is the process which is used to convert the complex substances into the simpler substances. Okay, and second question now, which of these are flat blade like teeth used for cutting food? See, you will see the figure. There are four types of teeth we have already discussed. One is incisors, second is canines, molars and premolars. See, incisors are flat front like teeth. These are the front teeth, these are the blade like teeth. So this you will use for cutting the food. So incisor is the answer. Okay, now canine is the tearing teeth. These side teeth are tearing teeth. Premolar and molar are teeth which is present in the mouth, the back side, last side. So premolars and molars are used for grinding and chewing purpose for the food. So incisor is the answer. Blade like teeth, incisor. Yes. Now third question, what do fats break down into? Yes. So fat break down into fatty acid and glycerol. Okay, carbohydrate break down into sugar, protein break down into amino acid, but fats break down into fatty acid and glycerol. And this process worked in the small intestine in human digestive system. We have already discussed it. You have seen in previous video. Fourth question, in which of these chambers of ruminants does the food get partially digested and stored as the cud? So this is the figure of digestion in ruminants. There are four chambers in stomach of ruminant. One is rumen, second is omasum, abomasum, third and fourth is reticulum. So what is the chamber in which partially digested food which is called cud which is stored? The first chamber which is called rumen. You will see in the figure, rumen is the first chamber in which partially digested food is stored just as a cud. Cud is a food, partially digested food named. Okay. Now fifth question, which of these nutrients gets mostly digested in the small intestine? In small intestine, carbohydrate, fats and proteins, these three are complex substances which is digested into simpler substances. So these three will be answer. Now sixth question, with the help of which of the following does a hydra catch its food? See, we have seen amoeba structure. So in amoeba there is a pseudopodia, finger like structure which captures the food. Like in hydra, hydra is an animal which lives in water. So like in hydra, tentacles is used for catch its food. This is the answer. Now 7, which of these help to digest food in an amoeba? So amoeba captures the food in a food vacuole where some digestive juice secret for digestion purpose. So in amoeba, digestive juices in the food vacuole is used to digest food in amoeba. So C is the answer, digestive juices in the food vacuole. And you will see the figure of the amoeba digestion process in this figure. Now 8th question, which of these primarily helps in the digestion of fats in human? See, in small intestine there are two types of juice. One is bile juice, which is secret from the liver, and second pancreatic juice, which is secret from the pancreas. So bile juice is primarily used to digest the fat in human. So C is the answer, bile juice. 9th question, which of these act as energy reserves and are stored for later use? So fatty acid and glycerol both are used for energy reserves. So D is the answer. D is the answer. Both glycerol and fatty acids are used for energy reserves. Now we are starting fill in the blanks from chapter 2. So first blank and option are assimilation and digestion. Involves the use of simple substances to build complex substances required by the body. Yes, what is the answer here? See, digestion breaks the complex substances to simpler substances, but assimilation use the simpler substances to build complex substances for further use. So here answer is assimilation, reverse process of digestion. So it used simpler substances to build complex substances. Second, fill in the blank. Once swallowed, the food passes down into long tube called the esophagus. See, in human digestive system, after passing the food from the ingestion process, food moves to the long tube called esophagus. Understand? And third question, the process of digestion begins in the mouth or stomach. So in human digestive system, process of digestion begins from the mouth. So answer is mouth. Fourth question, the liver secretes the bile or pancreatic juice. Which juice will liver secrete? In small intestine, liver will secrete the bile juice, which is bile juice. Liver secretes the bile juice. Fifth question, the digestion of various components of food is completed in the small intestine. Digestion process completed in the small intestine. Okay, there are two types of intestine. One is small, second is large, but in small intestine digestion process completed. Okay. Sixth question, rumen abomasum is the last chamber of the stomach in ruminants. See in this figure, in ruminant there are 4 chambers. So rumen is first chamber, but here question is asking to you last chamber. So last chamber is abomasum. See in the figure, last chamber is abomasum. So that's all for today online class.